Hello students, first we going to start the number system and chapter 1 for the class 7 is integer. Okay, now let's see the introduction. Integer can be written as I, means आप इंटीजर को I से रिप्रेजेंट कर सकते हो, I से. Now draw the number line. This is 0, 1, 2, 3, -1, -2, -3, and so on, both of side. You have seen this is negative side, this is 0, and this is natural number or positive side. On the right side, positive integer, and the left side, negative integer. Like positive integer I plus, example 1, 2, 3, ... keeps going on, ... and the negative integer minus, example -1, -2, -3, ... and it's goes on. Now positive integer go up to plus infinity. It means ये कहाँ तक जाएगा, प्लस इनफाइनाइट तक जाएगा, और ये कहाँ तक जाएगा, माइनस इन्फिनिटी तक. यानी ये भी प्लस इन्फिनिटी तक, ये प्लस पॉजिटिव इंटीजर जो है प्लस इन्फिनिटी तक, और ये माइनस इन्फिनिटी तक. आपने साइन तो समझ ही गया होगा. साइन ऑफ इन्फिनिटी दिस. Zero simply an integer it is not a negative, not positive. Now this way have it complete till now. Now we are going to study about the multiplication of integer. ये तो समझ गया होगा ना आप लोग, ये निगेटिव ना ही पॉजिटिव, जीरो में ऐसा कुछ साइन नहीं लगता है ना, स्टिल रिमेन वैसे ही रहता है. रिमेंबर, मल्टीप्लिकेशन इज ऑल्सो कॉल्ड प्रोडक्ट. ओके, व्हाट इज द प्रोडक्ट ऑफ ए एंड बी? प्रोडक्ट ऑफ ए एंड बी, what is the product of A and B? So don't get confused. A and B means A into B, और अगर अदर लैंग्वेज में कहें तो A multiplying by B. So now see what is the product of two positive integer. The first point, product of two product of two integer, two पॉजिटिव इंटीजर. पॉजिटिव इंटीजर का मतलब समझ गए होंगे, दोनों में प्लस का साइन होना चाहिए, है ना. जैसे देख लें आप कि पॉजिटिव इंटू पॉजिटिव इक्वल टू ऑलवेज गिव्स प्रोडक्ट पॉजिटिव. एग्जाम्पल, 2 into 3 equal to 6 means both integers are positive and gives the product will be positive. And the other, the product of the product of one negative and another positive. The product of one negative and another positive means the first negative and other positive. It gives always negative. Example, -2 into 3 equal to -6. If one are negative and other positive, it gives negative. And another example, 2 into -3, if first are positive and second are negative, then it will give -6. मीन्स ये जरूरी नहीं है कि कौन सा पॉजिटिव है कौन सा निगेटिव है ना, कोई भी एक भी अगर उसका निगेटिव होगा इंटीजर तो वो क्या देगा, निगेटिव. एंड द थर्ड रूल, द प्रोडक्ट ऑफ two negative integer. Negative, it means negative into negative, it will give positive. Any problem? No. Okay, we have mostly covered the rule, and now we want to see one more method over here, that is closure property. Closure, CLOSURE, closure property. Closure property, you know what is the definition of closure property? Closure property is the multiplication of two integer is always an integer. Listen, closure property is the multiplication of two integer is always an integer. The example, for example, A into B equal to AB. Take another example, 2 into 3 equal to 6. That means multiplication of two integer is always give an integer. है ना? The next, and the second property is commutative. Commutative property. According to this property, if A and B are two integer, then A and B both are integer, so then A into B equal to B into A. मीन्स मल्टीप्लीकेशन जो होगा इसका वो रिवर्स के मल्टीप्लीकेशन के इक्वल होगा. जैसे एग्जाम्पल देखते हैं. एग्जाम्पल 2 into 3 equal to 3 into 2. 3 2s are 6 equal to 6. That means LHS equal to RHS. Okay. We want to see the third property. Third property is the associative property. Associative property. According to this property, if A, B and C are three integers. How many integers? Three integers. Then A into B into C bracket equal to A into B bracket into C. Take example, 2 into 3 into 4 equal to 2 into 3 into 4. 2 into 12 equal to 6 into 4. That means 24 equal to 24. LHS equal to RHS. Okay. One more property. The property is distributive. Distributive property. According to this property, A, B and C are three integers. A, B and C are the three integers. Then A into B plus C is equal to A into B. That means multiplication first, A with B, and the second will be A with C, and the plus A into C. Now take the example, 2 into 4 plus 3 equal to 2 into 4 plus 2 into 3. 2 into 4 plus 3 7 equal to 8 plus 6. 7 to the 14 equal to 8 plus 6 14. LHS equal to RHS. Clear? I think it is clear. Now the one more property, multiplicative identity. Multiplicative identity means multiplication of every integer with integer 1 gives always a integer itself. Identity. Multiplicative identity. Multiplicative identity, that means a is an integer. When multiplied by 1, it gives the same a. 1 by b multiplied by 1, it gives 1 by b. So 1 is called the multiplicative identity. Any problem? Okay. The next and the last, multiplicative inverse. Multiplicative inverse. It's multiplicative inverse. इसमें आपको थोड़ा सा ध्यान देना है कि इनवर्स मीन्स क्या होता है, आपने तो पढ़ा होगा ना. इनवर्स मीन्स ठीक अपोजिट. फॉर एग्जाम्पल ए. अब बताओ इसका एग्जाम्पल क्या हो. ये तो आप तो वो रेशनल नंबर पढ़ा ना, ए बाय 1. हाँ, इन द फ्रैक्शन फॉर्म ए बाय 1. द मल्टीप्लिकेटिव इनवर्स इज 1 बाय ए. 1 बाय ए. If you have given another example, minus 3 by 2, that means multiplicative inverse is 2 by minus 3. Any problem? No. Okay. So I hope कि आपको ये समझ में आ गया होगा. और मैं आपको कुछ एक्सरसाइज दिखा रहा हूँ. ये एक्सरसाइज हैं आपके. इसको आप कंप्लीटली क्या करना है, बना के रखने हैं, कंप्लीट करने हैं. और पीडीएफ तो उपलब्ध शायद हो पाएगा कि नहीं पता नहीं, फिर भी देख लो आप. मेरे पास तो आए थे. और बता दूं मैं आपको कि सेलिना का ही पब्लिकेशन है इस बार मैथ्स का, इसलिए अगर हो सके तो अगल बगल से उपलब्ध कर लेना आप. ये देख लो.